First thing we got to do is to loosen this top cover right here. We don't have to take it completely out of the way, just loose like that. Now the next thing we got to do is to remove this control head right here. There's clips that hold it on, and of course they ain't gonna want to release, but we got it. Sometimes those clips can be really tight. On the back of this control head, we have this electrical connector right here. So we'll just remove that and get that out of the way. Next, we need to remove these two side pieces right on the side here. That one, and we got this one on the other side. All right, we got those. Next thing we have to do is to remove this panel right here. It's held on by 4 7mm headed screws. Here, 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 and down here. I got 3 of them removed. This is the last one over here. All right, we're gonna snake that by the shifter. Watch out for the cigarette lighter in the back. And if we're careful, we can get it right by there. We don't have to disconnect any of the wires. Just leave that down there. Next thing we got to do is to remove 4 screws that hold the radio in. One here, 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 and here. You can get these 2 through this opening here. And these 2 down here. Now we can pull the radio out partly, and then we have to disconnect all our cables in the back. We can get it out that far, and now we have to disconnect all our electrical cables in the back. Here are all the connections on the back of the radio that we have to remove. Let's start with this one right here. There's a little lock right here that we push in. You can see that released it, and then we ratchet this back, and it removes those wires. Next we have this blue one. Remove that. We got this beige one here. And we got this black one. And this yellow one. And the last one is this one with the metal band on it. There it is, all off. So all the connections on the back of the radio are now off. All the electrical cables are off the back of the radio, so now we can remove the radio. There it is. All out. So that's all there is to removing a radio from your Chevy Equinox.